In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a diagonal split thumbnail in Photoshop. So first of all, add two layers on top of each other. You can either use two images or one image in a solid color background for the second layer. Make sure the second layer has the same size and resolution as the first one, so everything lines up perfectly. Next, select the top image layer and choose the polygonal lasso tool from the tools bar. Click on one corner of the image, let's say the right top corner. Then click on the bottom left corner, so the opposite side of this point. Now click on the bottom right corner and then close the selection by connecting back to your first point. That way, you create a nice triangle selection. With the selection active, click the Add Layer Mask button at the bottom of the Layers panel, and you will now see the diagonal split revealing the image below. If there is a slight gap, you can press V on the keyboard to bring back the selection tool and basically resize the image slightly so it fits perfectly. If you want to flip which side is visible, click on the mask and press Ctrl I on Windows or Command I on Mac to invert it. You can also make an alternative selection by adding one more point at the top like this, and then connecting to a random point at the bottom, and then closing up the selection. The selection doesn't have to be triangular, so you can customize this as much as you want basically. Now, if you want to make the edges a lot smoother than this, click on the mask thumbnail, go to Properties, and adjust the feather slider. A small value between 2 and 5 pixels would be enough. To add the white line along the split, create a new layer, then select the line tool from the tools bar, and basically draw a line right above the split. Now make sure to click on Shapes at the top right here, choose the stroke color to be white, and then make the stroke bigger in size. You can then add the text here, for example, to complete your thumbnail. So yeah, if you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.